Hello everyone, welcome back to Fruit and Veggie Boost YouTube channel. Today we're diving into an important topic that affects millions of people around the world. What it is, how it impacts lives globally, and some natural, effective ways to manage it. Let's get started. So what is diabetes? In simple terms, diabetes is a disease that occurs when your blood glucose, also called blood sugar level in your body, is too high. Glucose is your body's main source of energy. Your body can make glucose, but glucose also comes from the food you eat. Insulin is a hormone produced and synthesis by pancreas cell that regulates blood sugar or glucose levels in your blood by moving glucose from the bloodstream into cells, where it can be used for energy. Without it, sugar or glucose level in your bloodstream increases, which can cause serious health problems over time. Like diabetes raises the risk for damage to the eyes, kidneys, nerves, and heart. Diabetes is also linked to some types of cancer. Taking steps to prevent or manage diabetes may lower your risk of developing diabetes health problems. There are two most common types of diabetes: type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. Type 1 diabetes. If you have type 1 diabetes, your body makes little or no insulin. Your immune system attacks and destroys the cells in your pancreas that make insulin. Type 1 diabetes is usually diagnosed in children and young adults, although it can appear at any age. People with type 1 diabetes need to take insulin every day to stay alive. Type 2 diabetes. If you have type 2 diabetes, the cells in your body don't use insulin properly. The pancreas may be making insulin but is not making enough insulin to keep your blood glucose level in the normal range. Type 2 diabetes is the most common type of diabetes. You are more likely to develop type 2 diabetes if you have risk factors, such as overweight or obesity, and a family history of the disease. You can develop type 2 diabetes at any age, even during childhood. You can help delay or prevent type 2 diabetes by knowing the risk factors and taking steps toward a healthier lifestyle, such as losing weight or preventing weight gain. Gestational diabetes is a type of diabetes that develops during pregnancy. Most of the time, this type of diabetes goes away after the baby is born. However, if you've had gestational diabetes, you have a higher chance of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Sometimes diabetes diagnosed during pregnancy is type 2 diabetes. People with prediabetes have blood glucose levels that are higher than normal, but not high enough to be diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. If you have prediabetes, you have a higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes in the future. You also have a higher risk for heart disease than people with normal glucose levels. Other types of diabetes, a less common type of diabetes called monogenic diabetes, is caused by a change in a single gene. Diabetes can also come from having surgery to remove the pancreas, or from damage to the pancreas due to conditions such as cystic fibrosis, NIH external link, or pancreatitis. Did you know? Over 500 million people are living with diabetes worldwide, and this number is rising. It's not just adults, children are increasingly affected too. This epidemic is linked to factors like poor diet, lack of exercise, and even stress. Diabetes is a leading cause of blindness, kidney failure, heart attacks, and even amputations. But here's the thing, it's not all doom and gloom. There are natural ways to manage and even prevent diabetes. Let's talk solutions. Here are some natural ways to manage and even reverse diabetes. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds should be your best friends. Foods like leafy greens, berries, and nuts are excellent for controlling blood sugar levels. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Exercise doesn't have to mean hours at the gym. A brisk 30-minute walk or yoga can do wonders for improving insulin sensitivity. Chronic stress can spike your blood sugar. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or even gardening to keep stress in check. Good sleep and proper hydration are underrated but vital for overall health and managing diabetes. Did you know? Spices like cinnamon and fenugreek seeds can help regulate blood sugar. Nature's medicine is powerful. Remember, managing diabetes starts with small, consistent changes. Empower yourself with the right foods, stay active, and keep stress at bay. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more health-boosting tips. See you next time.